Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to practice idioms of the day, and do you know, whenever we use, and if anyone use while communicating a simple or unique idioms, then they feel, or yeah, they realize that something I have achieved while communicating, I have used being a beginner. It's my feeling, so I feel very happy whenever I use or any kind of idioms while communicating. So guys, for that purpose I keep practicing, keep learning, and while learning I keep sharing that anyhow it will be helpful for you. So let's get practiced started. First one is by leaps and bounds. By leaps and bounds means very quickly. By leaps and bounds means very quickly. बहुत जल्दी means I'm going to succeed. I'm going to be succeed by leaps and bounds. Yeah, and it is my gut feeling. And my second one is win laurels. Win laurels means to be succeed. I'm going to win laurels. Guys, try to make sentence and just keep learning, keep signing. One magic Power BI formula, not Excel, Power BI. As I'm sharing, I keep sharing in my YouTube channel. If you are guys interested, then go watch and just explore your career. Yeah. So my first one is the Power BI magic formula is limited time today. Go use today and just explore in Google. You can get everything. Keep learning, keep signing. Bye bye.